In this video, I will quickly explain how the trade I was able to engage during the week, and probably maybe I'll also show you what I'm anticipating in the next week, and probably maybe general trade recap. I don't know, but I will explain what happened and what I'm expecting next. So this is the trade I had on AUD USD 1 hour time frame, and as you see, smooth take profit hits. So I would like to explain how I was able to position myself for this trade. So this was the trade I had previous week. So, and I've cut this chart so that we can use replay tools to actually understand where we are coming from. Where we're coming from and how I was able to engage in this trade. So let's see. So as I said, this is the approach. Wait for break of structure. Wait for break of structure like this. This is the break of structure. Then allow the market to take out inducement before you sell. The same thing repeat before you sell. So this is just it. Very simple. Break of structure, inducement, mitigation, sell. So this is just the simple approach to this market. And as you can see, we had a break of structure here, So I was able to identify my inducement, which inducement represent the last pullback before the move. So inducement is like this, as I explained in my previous video. If the market is coming down like this, you see this pullback, they are inducement, but what we target is the last one. So I want the market to take out one of these. If this one is the one that the market take out and collapse, fine, but at least market must take out this one. So if you take out this one and decide to take out the rest, which is fine, but what is important is this first one. So this first one is what we mark as inducement. So it must be taken out before you see the actual move. So that's it. So in this case, we have an inducement here. So let's see how the market goes. You see, market had to come back, take out inducement, look for POI and mitigate POI. Probably market will mitigate something here. But this is not the trade, but I'm just trying to explain to you. Mitigate POI and the market will drop. So let's see how it goes. So I was watching this trade, this market. Sorry, this one is too fast. So I was watching this market, and I saw what market did. Break the structure again. Why is it break of structure? Because this candle, this black candle closed below this level. So what happened here? We have a small inducement here. Then what are we looking for? Pull back, probably to this place, to this space, and drop. So I only use one POI. I don't use two. So you see, market refused to mitigate there. Market respect this POI, and again drop. Market respected this POI. So, but this is the one me I'm always using. So now I was observing the market and I was seeing what the market is doing. So I'm just looking for a right position to position myself. And you see again, market look for inducement again. Maybe this time market mitigates this POI again and drop. So let's see how it goes. Exactly. So this is what is actually happening. Market was not mitigating my POI. That's why I was unable to catch any trade. I missed this move here because I was waiting for market to come here, but it refused. The same thing here, it refused. So, and if this stuff is not aligned with my what am I going to, with my rules and my strategy, or with my approach, I'm not taking the trade. So in this one now, this is the trade I took, and as you can see, I was able to identify my inducement here. And then I want the market to go back. So I look for my POI. I discovered that this one has been mitigated. No POI here. Everything has been mitigated. So I had to wait for this. So, and as it is, this is our last high that the market created like this. So you see, as the market is coming down, we have a high here, we have a low here, we have a high here, we have a low. This is the high, this is the low, this is the last high that the market created. So I was waiting patiently, say, okay, if that's the case, until market break this high before I can say we have a change of character. But as long as the level is still intact, market is still following the structure, then there's nothing like change of character. So immediately I saw this, I just positioned, say, okay, let me see how it's gonna play out. So as you can see, markets refused to take out inducement, created another inducement. So I shifted this inducement to this level. Remember I said it's the last one I'm using. So market refused to take out again. I shifted it to this level. As you can see, market refused to take out again. Then I shifted this to this level. So this is where I had inducement. So all these are like liquidity for me. All these moves are like liquidity for me because we don't have break of structure. Some people will be like, this is a break of structure. This is not a break of structure, bro. This is not a break of structure because no inducements, no money was taken. This is a break of structure. No. This is where you guys trap yourself. This is a break of structure. No. This is not. Break of structure must happen, must be valid after inducement has been taken out. If not, it's just a trap. It's what they call SMT, smart money trap. So if you want to enter trade, make sure you identify the liquidity or inducement so that it will not be the inducement or it will not be the liquidity. So let's see how this one plays out. So you see, market had to go back because it need more energy, more money, more liquidity to push down if it wanted to come down. So I actually set my limit order here. So as you see, market tried to give a little bit direction to the up, come down. Then all these are internal structure. I don't have business with them. So as you see, markets flash up. Then, this is where the psychology play a very good role, big role. If you are impatient, you will have entered this trade here. Then maybe you will be stopped out. But because I know what I'm looking for, I know exactly where I want to get into the market. If market refuses to get there, I'm not going in. Then if he leaves, then I will look for another one, reposition for another one. So you see, now we got mitigated. Limit order fail. And you see, sharp. Exactly what I said. If markets take out liquidity, that's when you see the remove. See, it is like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, in just 3 hours, because it's 1 hour candle, market just keep dropping. So this is how I was able to catch this trade, and as I said, 1 to 3 is okay for me for consistency's sake. So this is the explanation, this is the trade that I got. So as you see, this is the trade, the retrade. This is the one I just used to explain. This is my retrade. So in this case, this is not the only trade. I had this one too, the same approach on AUD card. The same approach on AUD card. You see, I had a trade here. The same approach on AUD card. The same thing, break of structure. Market gave us fake boss because he refused to close below here. So this serves as inducement. wait for my POI mitigation, and as you see, market came here and flashed down straight. So it's very simple. Just the steps, just follow the step, and you will see that this thing it's not that difficult, though it's not that easy, but according to my experience in the market, I was able to add this approach put together, and things changed for me. So gradually, and I had another trade on the I'm still having a active trade on GDP USD using the same approach. Let me show you. This is GDP USD. I'm actually on sell. So see, this is exactly what we had on GDP USD. This is the okay. This is the let me remove the okay. This is the trade on GDP USD. I had this first trade. I was lucky. Market did not take me out. It remained very small pips in this trade. Market smashed my TP, but not up to 1 to 3, because I had a way of managing this trade. My 1 to 3 is supposed to be here. But when I saw this external liquidity sweep, first attempt, second attempt, I had to close this trade, because I know once this happens, market is going back for either deeper pullback of change of character. So for me to just keep my profit and not give out my money, the money I've made in the market, give it back to the market, I had to just close this trade. But what I did was to reposition for another trade. And as you can see, market refused to break this level. This is not valid yet. This one is not valid because it's liquidity sweep. So we still have this high intact and this low intact. So market gave small direction, give us inducement. So this is an inducement, and I waited for market to come to this level. So because market was escaping my this thing, so this is my order block, which is my refined order block. But I noticed that we had a lot of fair value gap here. So what I did was to move my entry a little bit down, in case if market want to respect the fair value gap, then give direction. So, and as I said, as you can see, market only respected the fair value gap and did what? So I had a trade here on USD, GDP USD is still running. Then this is another trade I'm still on GDP JPY. The same approach, the same techniques is what I used on this trade. So as you see, what I saw here was change of character. Well, this network is slow. Change of character. Okay, hold on, sorry guys. So what I saw here was market was pushing up. We had change of character here, inducement here, then mitigation here, and you see smooth like this. This is exactly what we have here. Market gave us change of character, but on its way it created inducement, change of character, and went back, and I'm expecting it to drop. So if I bring this out now, you will see that this is exactly what I was explaining to you in my previous video. So you see change of character, inducement, mitigation, market breakdown. So this is just how the whole stuff happens, and this is what I'm expecting. I'm still expecting more push down, although I'm already in break even. So I'm expecting the market to push down a little bit. So I had a NZD USD2. This trade, what happened here? This is my limit order in my 1 hour time frame. This is exactly what I'm expecting by next week, because look at it, market was bearish, now trying to bullish in 1 hour. So what happened? Market gave us change of character. Market gave us like double change of character. Look at it. We had this high, low, high, low. This is the highest level. Okay, this is the high, this is the low, but this one did not close below, so that low is not valid. So we just sweep this level, went back for inducement. So this is the high, this is the low. So anything that break above this high, we have change of character. So it means that this is a change of character, and I was expecting the market to come and mitigate here and push up, but refused to come. So change of character, anything that comes below here is also change of character. So what market did, market just created inducement, refused to go up, like continue that new direction. And what happened? Why I didn't mark this level as break of structure is because no inducement was taken out. So it's just like a leg, like one leg, like this. So I'm expecting this to happen, then continue. But instead, market did what? Market gave me another change of character. So as you see, another change of character, it means market is looking for sell side liquidity, like trying to come down. So what I did was I marked my high, I marked my low. This is the highest level when this market break down, and I was able to identify my inducement. So I was looking for a sell here, hoping the market will respect this level after taking out this inducement, then probably will drop. But what happened was I had a trade here, my limit order here. So I was expecting this to continue. But what happened? Market took me out on SL. So these are the exceptional. There's no perfect strategy, but this is just few of the loss that I had, because this approach is kind of is profitable, at least 50-50. So, and if you have 50-50 into ratio 1-3, then you are good to go. So this is the loss I had. So immediately I saw this, I said, okay, it means market is still not clear where you want to go. So maybe probably it's confused. So I decided to reposition my mind again. So as you see, it means that we have change of character, we have low here. So I'm expecting the market to do just like this. Sorry, I'm expecting the market to come like this, then change of character, then come back, then continue. So this is what I'm anticipating for next week. So as you see, I have my limit order already, but it still remains small. Market refuses to tap me in. So if it does, fine. If it doesn't, I'll let it go. But market must come to this level before I can engage in this trade. So those are the few trades I had on last week. Those are the few trades. No trade on gold, but let me see what the gold is doing now. So looking at gold in 1 hour. So as you see, we are bullish. In 1 hour, market is creating higher low. But suddenly, what market did was, it gave us change of character here. It gave us change of character here, because this is the level. Market was coming like this, sweep this low, then push up. So this is our major low. So anything that happened in between is just internal. So immediately I saw that market gave us change of character. What I did was I switched my bias from buying to sell. So that's why I'm positioning for gold to come back here before I can sell. So, and as you can see, we had change of character. What happened here is I looked for my inducement, which is here, and as I said, I positioned for extreme. This is my extreme PO high. But because I was looking at this imbalance like this, and I don't want to be stuck to this trade, and I look at it, what does it cost me? Let me just enter the trade at this level, then cover my imbalance, cover my POI. What I know is this stop must be protected if this market wants to come down. So that's why I had my limit order here, because I don't want to miss out, but if I miss out, it's fine. But that's why I had my limit order here. So this is exactly what I'm expecting on gold for next week. So what other pair are we looking at? Yes, I had the AUD JPY, the same approach. Yes, this one I'm already in on this. Look at it. This is our current structure. Look at it. This is our current structure on AUD. Market gave us change of character, so we had a current structure like this. Internal structure, break of change of character. It means that this pullback is just like internal structure. So market did what? Came down, push up again. So once I identify this, in this move now, what do I want to see in this move? I can identify that we had this break of structure. So in this move, I'll just look for my inducement and I'll allow the market to come back here to my extreme. Then I will buy straightforward. So if you look at it, exactly what the market did. Break of structure, I look for inducement, this SMT, then I came for the buy at this extreme level. So very simple. So I'm expecting the market to push up. You know, it's 50-50, but this is my approach to the market. So there's nothing new, nothing special. So this is my approach to the market. So let's see how this one will play out during the week. Then I had another position because I'm like laying ambush for all this trade. So I don't run after them, I just position myself. So if you see this AUD, Euro AUD, and we were bullish. Suddenly market gave us bearish move. By doing what? How do we know market is turning back to, is giving us bearish? 1 hour structure is giving us bullish. Suddenly market breakdown here, which gave us change of character. Change of character, what? This is exactly what happened here. We were having a bullish movement like this. Suddenly we had a change of character. Market gave small inducement, came back. This one went back for it and broke down. So looking at it, I have small pullback here. Then market came back like this and broke down again. So I was seeing them, small one. Then I want the market to come back here before I sell. So I'm actually positioning for this stuff. Because look at it, this is our recent high. This is our recent high, which must be protected. This is our break of structure. Why is this a break of structure? Sorry. Why is this a break of structure? Because inducement was taken out. So where is our new inducement after? First one is this, second one is this. So we are using this last one. So immediately market take out this level, we are positioning for this because we know that this high must be protected. So if market gets here, we are selling. So that's exactly what happens here. What I'm expecting on this Euro AUD. So that's why I position here. I want to see what the market will do when it gets to this place. So then I'll put my entry level here because I know this high must be protected. Liquidity has been grabbed already. Then I target my 1 2 3. It's not that even far. So this is it. These are the trade I'm waiting for in this new week, and I hope let me check a Euro AUD. What do I have there? Yes, Euro AUD. Look at it, 1 hour time frame. You don't need to start doing too much. Just look at what the market was doing. Market was doing what? Market was bearish, consistently bearish, temporary bullish. Then now it gave us another bearish move. So we had a change of character here. Because why? market change character here at this level, and it push up like this. After, let's say we had this change of character, inducement, push up, market came back for inducement, push up again. On its way, you see, this is it. So, and flash down. So, what are we having here? Simple. What are we having here? We have change of character level here. This is where it's coming from. This inducement. Market came back for inducement, break structure here, created another inducement here. Market came back for it, push up, created another inducement here. So this low must be protected. Anything that violates this low like this, then we had a change of character. So this is exactly what we are having currently on Euro USD. So what am I now looking for in this level? Since we have this change of character, I want the market to coil up, to go up, because this is my inducement. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To come after taking out this inducement, probably market will go up, mitigate here, then drop. But if this doesn't happen, and we had another drop here, like this, then break of structure validated, fine. Break of structure validated here. Sorry. If market breaks down and give me something like this, then it means that this high must be protected. So what I will do is probably maybe I look for inducement here if this happen. So probably I will look for inducement and allow the market to come back here before I sell. So that's just what I'm expecting. So these are the two scenarios in this Euro USD. It's either market push up, mitigate here and drop, or market push down, which establish break of structure and this high must be protected. So then we'll wait for inducement taken out, then another drop. So that's my take on Euro USD for now. So let's see how it will play out during the week. Note this is happening in all 1 hour. So what other pair? NZD card, I think I've talked about it. Okay, USD. No, okay, I haven't talked about this. So you see SZD card, the same thing. Market was giving us bearish momentum to the down. Suddenly, we had a change of character. And what do I look for? Inducement, then POI mitigation. So I think I forgot this one, no limit order for this. So because this low must be protected, so I will just target 1 to 3. So probably I will set alert here. If market come back to this level by Monday, by market open, I'll buy this market from here. So this is going to be my entry, like this. My stop loss below here. Then I will look for 1 to 3 to the upside. So this is my this is my setup on NZD card. So what next? The same thing on GDP USD. Yes, okay, I've explained this one. Then what next? Yeah, I think that's all. So I'm not seeing much on this. Okay, Bitcoin. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of bullish. Let's see. Let me check it in daily time frame. So as you see, I had my markup done on Bitcoin already. As you see, market has been bullish since January last year, 2023. So you see, break of structure, inducement, mitigation, break of structure, market push up, create inducement here, mitigate here, push up, create break of structure. So when market was here, I was saying the only thing that can give us, that can make Bitcoin to come down is when Bitcoin break below this level. sorry, where is it? Break, okay, this is POI. When this POI fail, then Bitcoin will target this one. This is the extreme. So I'm anticipating for about 40,700 if this level failed. But as you can see, market did what? Market gave us takeout inducements. So in the moment I started seeing this liquidity sweep on this POI, I knew that we are bullish. So, and you see, market have started going up since then. So Bitcoin is actually doing fine. So after we break this level, it means that this is our low. So Bitcoin is finding its low at 48,000, let's say 49,000, 48,000, yes, 49,100. So, and you see, I've already positioned myself for next available opportunity on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin eventually pull back to this level, if Bitcoin pull back to this level in daily time frame, pull back to this level, I will be looking for buy, because no POI below, everywhere have been mitigated. This is the only valid POI. So I'll be looking for buy if market gives me 61,496. If I come back here, if the market come back here like this, inducement, push back, come back, then I would love to buy at this level. So I think that's it for today. These are the trade I'm looking for. So, and I hope that you guys can do your analysis and also see if this stuff match with yours. But before I end this video, let me just explain this briefly to you. So let me just explain this video to you and this approach to you. When the market is in uptrend in any of your time frame, don't be tempted to put your entry here. These levels serve as inducement and liquidity. So allow the market to come below before you look for your entry. This is exactly what the market will do. Don't buy here. Allow the market to come below here before you take your entry. This is how markets, because this is a trap. If you might not know, but this is a trap. This exact level is a trap. This one, you don't buy here. This is SMT. This level, you don't buy here. You don't buy here. So you only wait for the last pullback that the market has created, and that last pullback is like small compared to the major. You look at this pullback. Look at this pullback. It's big. Look at this one. It's big. This one is small. This one is small. So these small one are what they call liquidity. These small ones are what we call inducement. So, and you see, and as you can see, look at Bitcoin here. We gave out push up, small push back, but look at how long it take this level to come down, this pullback to come and take it, then see the remove. You see that after it took out this liquidity, this is the only inducement. This one is just a pullback, internal structure. So as you can see, whenever market take out inducement and is ready to move, that's when you see the actual move. Something similar to Solana too. This is exactly what Solana was doing. So in higher time frame, inducement taken out here. Inducement taken out here, and you see market refused to go down because what? Because we are in uptrend. So I mark this level. If market take out this low, then we have a change of character. So the approach is not that difficult, it's not that hard, but you just have to learn it and follow it. So that's it, guys. I think we're done for today. If you have any pair that you want me to check out or to analyze, probably you can drop it and maybe I'll look into it. So that's it, guys. So on my AUD USD, I'm also looking for this, but I'll wait patiently. I want to see what was gonna happen here. So since I haven't entered this trade, I don't know. Maybe I'll check my stuff. So let's see how it goes next week. Let's see if all this setup will play out. So thank you guys. Bye for now.